This video describes the installation process for the Pippin Prep and BluePippin instruments and preparing the systems for use. The system will arrive in two boxes, one containing the instrument and accessories and the second containing the LCD monitor. Open the Pippin box to remove the foam insert. Inside you will find the instrument and accessory box. Remove the accessory box. The Pippin weighs 14 pounds. Remove the Pippin from the box and place it on a lab bench. Open the accessory box and make sure it contains the following items: user manual, USB keyboard, USB mouse, mouse pad, USB storage device, power supply and the power cord, a rinse cassette, and an optical calibration fixture. Setting up the Pippin is similar to setting up a PC. On the back panel of the instrument, there are 4 USB ports. Plug the mouse and keyboard into any of these. Match the monitor's VGA cable to the blue VGA port and attach. In the lower right-hand side of the back panel, there is a power entry port. Insert the power supply cable into this port. The button on the lower left-hand side is the on-off switch. Notice that the LED array becomes lit when the instrument is plugged in. This array will stay on at all times, regardless of whether the main power has been switched on or not. Press the on-off button on the back of the instrument and turn the monitor power on. The Pippin software will launch in less than a minute. The instrument is ready for use. When you open a cassette kit box, you will find cassettes and a bag containing reagents. Reagents include DNA marker, loading solution if using an external marker, and extra running buffer. Along with gel cassettes, you will find adhesive tapes for sealing elution wells on the cassette and a quick start guide. DNA marker and loading solution should be stored at 4 degrees C, and the running buffer can be refrigerated or stored at room temperature. Some kits may include a tween solution, which should also be refrigerated. Cassettes must be stored at room temperature and remain in their foil packaging until use.